step into the heart.
Amazing.
So, Nadine and Vince. Would you like me to use your full name, Vincenzo, or just Vince?
What do you prefer?
Vince.
Nadine and Vince. This ceremony is to celebrate your love for each other and the commitment you have decided to enter into today. More than that, it is to celebrate your love for each other and for life itself. I'm going to discuss about marriage. The intention of marriage is that a couple may grow together, united within each other's hearts by love and trust. The gift of marriage brings husband and wife together in a timeless unity. Marriage is a sign of oneness and loyalty to be upheld and honored. To see with the lover's eyes means observing an extraordinary joy beyond mere friendship. Marriage is precious and highly valued for the sustained, deep companionship, help, and comfort one another provide. May your love be renewed each moment to each decade, continuously cultivated forevermore. Love makes us stronger individuals, able to live in ways we dare not risk alone. Let your unity strengthen unique contributions. Marriage understands and finds perfection in imperfections. As a timeless promise in the hearts of two, marriage is fulfilled in a pair of lives for the rest of life. Vince, do you promise to love Nadine, holding her in your heart through good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when your love is simple and when it is difficult, for all the days of your life?
I do.
And Nadine, do you promise to love Vince, holding him in your heart through good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when your love is simple and when it is difficult, for all the days of your life?
I do.
As we stand beside the ocean tide, may your love always be as constant and unchanging as the never-ending waves that pour before us, flowing endlessly from the depths of the sea. Your love came softly upon your hearts, just as the foam comes softly upon the sands. And just as there will never be a day without your mutual love, so too there will never be a morning without your devotion. Your pledge on this day of your love will be as dependable as the waters. And now we have your personal vows. We'll begin with Vince. You can repeat after me. I, Vince, take you, Nadine.
I, Vince, take you, Nadine.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
Today I give myself to you.
Today I give myself to you.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
To laugh with you and comfort you.
To laugh with you and comfort you.
In times of sorrow and struggle.
In times of sorrow and struggle.
Good times and bad.
Good times and bad.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
When our love is simple and when it is an effort.
And when our love is simple and when it is an effort.
I promise to cherish you.
I promise to cherish you.
And to always hold you in highest regard.
And to always hold you in highest regard.
These things I give to you today.
These things I give to you today.
And all the days of our life.
And all the days of our life.
And Nadine, you can repeat after me. Vince, I love you.
Vince, I love you.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
Today I give myself to you in marriage.
Today I give myself to you in marriage.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
To laugh with you and to comfort you.
And comfort you.
In times of sorrow and struggle.
In times of sorrow and struggle.
I promise to love you in good times and bad.
I promise to love you in good times and in bad.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
When our love is simple and when it is an effort.
And when our love is simple and when it's an effort.
I promise to cherish you
I promise to cherish you
and to always hold you in highest regard.
and always hold you in my highest regards.
These things I give to you today
These things I give to you today
and all the days of our life.
and all the days of our lives.
The ring is an outward and visible sign of an inner and spiritual relationship. The rings are circles, and the circle is the symbol of the never-ending, always revolving, unbroken, and timeless cycle of love and life. Love freely given has no beginning and no end, no giver and no receiver. May the rings exchanged today always remind you of the vows spoken. Vince, please take the ring for Nadine. I'll take the pillow. And you may place the ring on her hand. And with this ring, you are wed. As the ring has no end, neither shall your love. You are Nadine.
Which finger ring?
Slowly.
Okay.
It's putting ring slowly.
Commit your heart and soul and join your lives.
Is it in?
Yeah, push me. That's it.
May these rings be blessed, so the couple abides in harmony, living in true love, happily ever after. And remember to treat each other with respect. Remind yourselves often of what brought you together, and give the highest priority to the tenderness, gentleness, and kindness your connection deserves. During any challenge, remember to focus on what is right between you. In this way, you can ride out times when clouds obstruct the sun's face in your life. Remember that while you might lose sight of the sun for a moment, the sun is still there, and if each of you takes responsibility for the quality of your life together will be marked by abundance and delight. Give to one another new experiences of joy. Challenge each other so that you may grow, but always remember to laugh every day and to love each other. Nadine and Vince, you have sealed your relationship by the giving and receiving of rings, and the exchange of vows. By the power vested in me, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss for the first time as husband and wife.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.